Hello, my name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be in my office and I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning and some decorating in my office. And I have been decorating this tree back here each season or every couple months ever since Christmas. I never took it down. I am tired of the spring look, so I kind of got in over my head when I decided to do this tree, to be perfectly honest. So here we are heading into summer, and I need to find a new look for the tree in addition to cleaning the office. So I haven't been up here a whole lot lately, so I just really need to do some dusting, and then I want to do a little bit of a facelift, if you will, just kind of change some of the accents out and everything, as well as the tree, as I mentioned. So it just screams Easter, so it's time for that to be changed. So if you want to see what I'm going to be doing in my office space, just keep watching. Make sure you subscribe though, and hit the notification bell, and I'll be back on with the reveal of what I've decided to do with this space. All right, it's the next day and I am done with the room, which I'm going to show you. Before I do that, I want to tell you that I decided to go to Tiffany and Co. or Tiffany and Company theme. I absolutely love the color Tiffany blue. I absolutely love Tiffany. Who doesn't, right? So I just decided to glam up my room, my office space, with just a little hints of Tiffany blue throughout the room. So I'm going to share with you what I've done. Unfortunately, I'm not in a situation where I'm able to change my furniture around, so I just get super excited when I get little changes to my accents to give my room a facelift or a new look. That just kind of makes everything like brand new. And I recycle the things out, so I don't do away with them. I will bring it back in again. When I get tired of it, I pack it away. I bring it back out again, a couple seasons from now, whatever. So without further ado and without rambling anymore, I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I've done to create my Tiffany and Company inspired office space. I really like the way that it turned out, and I tried not to go overboard with the blue. When you're purchasing things and you're trying to get the right colors, it doesn't always work out where you can find them. Tiffany blue is a hard one to match, but I did the best I could. So I got those flowers in that vase there from Hobby Lobby. The vase is thrifted. My candle was one that I've had for a very long time, so I just pulled that out because it matched. That is a pillow cover, Tiffany pillow cover that is a faux Tiffany pillow cover. I got that off of Amazon. And this little refrigerator here, I am just super, super, super excited about it. Although it is not the exact Tiffany blue color, I actually got that from a garage sale in my neighborhood a few days ago. I was walking, the guy had this little refrigerator out there. I looked at it, I asked him how much it was, and I said, I'll come back. And I went back and I had to get it. So that's the story on that. It's perfect for in my office, because my office is upstairs, and so if I need water or something like that, I am able to keep 6 little bottles in here and I don't have to do the stairs, which is great. And so I've showed this, the pillow. I had 2 of those, the Tiffany inspired, off of Amazon. I believe they were $16.99 for the 2. And I got the throw that's on the chair from the clearance sale at Z Gallery. This lamp, desk lamp here, I've had for years, and I just moved it out of a spare bedroom. Up on my hanging shelves, I kind of changed things around a little bit and put my Tiffany cologne there and a Tiffany box and a couple of plants. I have this sign here that I just love that just says "Catch Your Dreams," and it had just a hint of the blue color in there. And I also had another box from a perfume set of Tiffany that I put in there. Everything else were items that I already had there, but I really liked the way they came together. And then my tree. So this is the tree that I'm keeping up all year, and I've been decorating it every couple months or so. And so I just decided to put little accents of the Tiffany blue and white on my tree. I have these little rosettes from Amazon. I think they were $9.99. And I believe it was about 50 in the pack. And then I just had some little white bulbs that I put on there. And then the ones that look like lights, I only had a couple of those. They came in a pack from Walgreens. And then I just put some tulle that I ran down like my ribbon. So very simple, but I just wanted to pull that color into the tree. And I also have those big giant pillow bulbs that I got at the Hobby Lobby 90% off sale after Christmas. This bowl here was thrifted, and I have a little coaster there that I picked up from Ross. And that's really it. So just little pops of the blue throughout the room. I really like the way that it kind of freshened up the space. And, I'm enjoying the color. I really do like to switch out the colors and, just kind of look at something different for a while. The biggest expense for this overhaul was the refrigerator, which was $10, and the bulbs, which were $10. The throw from Z Gallery was on the clearance rack. I believe it was $36.99. Everything else, Dollar Tree for those lays. And the pillows, I think I said they were $16.99, a two-pack from Amazon. And here is my little candle that I'm going to go ahead and light. And I like to light my candles after I get my room cleaned and organized or whatever. That's kind of like my little treat, to sit back with my candle going and enjoy what I put together. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you for sticking around to this point. If you are not currently a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the Sister Cousin family. And if you are a returning supporter, subscriber, family member, welcome. I am so happy that you stopped back by and that you support the channel. I do appreciate if you would give me a like and comment below. I do enjoy conversing with my subscribers, and I hope that you have a wonderful remainder of your day, and I will see you back here next time. Bye.